friends, I'm Robin Fike at Stamping Country. Welcome to my stamping studio. Today I'm going to show you quick and easy tips on how you can make some quick Thanksgiving table favors, or you could use these for an autumn wedding. They're inexpensive and they're quick to make. You're going to start with the natural or craft coffee filters. So you'll need one for each favor, and then you'll want to tuck your favorite sweet treat. I'm using the Reese's peanut butter cups, and then you just fold that up, and we're going to tie it with some ribbon. I'm using the scalloped linen ribbon. This is the Pretty Peacock, but I'm also using the terracotta tile. I like the burlap on this ribbon and the nice scalloped edge. It looks very good with the coffee filters. Super simple, and then you just sort of fluff it up a little bit. Easy so far, right? And then I'm going to use some dies. This is my all-time favorite leaf die. It's from the Seasonal Layers dies. And because I'm using autumn, I'm using the leaves. But if I were doing a winter event, I would use the snowflakes. And then if you're a paper crafter, you have a paper cutter. So pull out your paper cutter. And I'm using the Perennial Essence of Vellum. This makes my leaves just a little bit more translucent, and it's fun. They look really great next to the craft coffee filters. So place your cutting side up or your rough side up. Because of all the detail in this leaf, it cuts a little better if you face it up with the paper on top. Place it in between your cutting pads. I ran it back and forth so that it gets a little extra cutting action. Now this is lacy. Go ahead and pierce one end and then pull that off. And then you have this cute little leaf. We're actually almost done. If you want to, you can add an extra little leaf as your tag. I'm using the Harvest Hellos, and I'm going to do the Give Thanks. I'm stamping it with Pretty Peacock ink. Now, if this was a wedding invitation, I may put a different sentiment, like congratulations or Mr. and Mrs. or something like that. But because these are my Thanksgiving table favors, I'm going to use this. And then you place the leaf facing down. This is a littler leaf die from the Seasonal Layers. And we have our little tag. Or you could put names on those, whatever you want to do. Adhere it with some glue dots. I find that the easiest and the strongest. And we have these adorable, quick and easy Thanksgiving table favors or wedding favors. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like, and if you haven't already, subscribe. Thanks so much, and have a fabulous day.